Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background in Davinci Resolve. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Davinci Resolve. So once you open, you simply need to click on this color section. So once you are on the color section, you can zoom in or zoom out the part that you want. So once you done that, you simply need to click on this mask option, that is mask, and then you need to, here you can see different options. So you simply need to select this one, curve, and you need to simply select the pen tool and create a path like this. So I'm going to create a random one so you can do it with more precision. So once you created that, you simply need to come onto this tracker section, and then you need to click on this play, and it will start tracking, and in a few seconds it will track the part of the video. So now you can see that it is completed. So once it is completed, you simply need to click here, the right mouse cursor, and click on add alpha output, and then you need to combine this blue dot with this one, and here you can see that now you have that part only of the video that you tracked. So this is the process how you can remove background in Davinci Resolve. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.